Hello, we're going to do something a little bit different today. I am going to install a dash light for this 1930 Ford Model A. Let's see if we can see. It's one of these things you buy at aftermarket. Um, Pull out this little screw up at the top that you can't really see. Here it is up here. And then from inside you'll mount the light on the little screw, and then it'll be wired to the amp meter from inside here. And so we shall get started here momentarily. First of all, you have to remove the instrument panel, and it's held on with 4 screws. There are 2 up underneath here, which I've already got out, and then the 2 up on the front here on either side of the gas gauge. And of course, it's just 2 little flathead screws, or 4. And we'll put a little piece of felt underneath here to keep it from scratching the dashboard any more than it already is. Holding the nut in place with my finger, hoping that the screw will thread into it. Oh, there goes, it's in. It's a little more fiddly than you'd think, especially it doesn't have to have a camera hanging down in the way. if you look at this wiring diagram, you'll see that the wire is coming out of the light fixture, goes down to the ammeter, and attaches on the post with the yellow and black wire. Okay, and that's all there is to it. Let me give the switch a little test, and there it is. We got all the light for the dash now. Now, I don't know what's normal on these cars, but according to the instructions, it was to feed the wire through a little notch in the panel piece, and this car did not have any notch in it, so I had to get out my jeweler's files and grind myself a little notch to run that wire through so it'll fit in here. There it is. So now everything's ready to go back together. You just have to run everything around the speedometer, make sure it's all out of the way. And the gas gauge. All right, now for the final test. And it still works.